The 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan SE R-Line Black delivers a bold, sporty look with exclusive R-Line styling, black exterior accents, black roof rails, and striking 20-inch black alloy wheels. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen. Its sculpted body lines and aggressive front fascia give it a confident, upscale presence on the road. Power comes from a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering responsive acceleration and smooth shifting. Available all-wheel drive enhances traction and control, making the Tiguan ready for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. The rear seating area is spacious and comfortable, providing ample legroom and headroom for passengers. A 60-40 split folding rear seat makes it easy to expand cargo space, while available rear seat heating adds extra comfort for longer drives. Inside, the Tiguan SE R-Line Black features a refined cabin with leatherette seating surfaces, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and R-Line design accents throughout. The interior blends modern styling with everyday practicality. Volkswagen driver assistance technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera, all designed to enhance confidence behind the wheel. Everyday convenience is elevated with keyless access, push-button start, automatic climate control, a power liftgate, available panoramic sunroof, and parking sensors. These features make the Tiguan easy to live with, whether you're running errands or heading out of town. A large touchscreen infotainment system anchors the dashboard, offering seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital cockpit display keeps key vehicle information clearly visible, creating a high-tech, driver-focused experience. The 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan SE R-Line Black combines sporty design, modern technology, advanced safety features, and everyday comfort into a well-rounded compact SUV that's ready for whatever your lifestyle demands. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.